Namaskaram, Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Tejaswini and welcome to Tejayam, the world of Tejaswini. Today our topic is Tandav. Tandav is a Sanskrit word. It refers to a vigorous dance that the god Shiva, in his role as a destroyer, performed in cremation ground and cemeteries. Tandav as a performed in the scare dance of India as a vigorous brisk movement. There are 7 types of Tandav found in Hindu text, that is Anand Tandav, Tripura Tandav, Sandhya Tandav, Samhar Tandav, Kali or Kalika Tandav, Uma Tandav, Gauri Tandav. Let's see the details. The first is Anand Tandav. In his happy form, Lord Shiva performed the Anand Tandav. It means the dance of bliss and symbolizes utter joy. It is supposed to have been performed by him after he killed Tripurasur and finished performing the Tripura Tandav when goddess Uma performed the Lasya dance to calm his down. Her dance pleased him so greatly that his happiness was expressed in the form of Anand Tandav. Next is Tripura Tandav. This dance was performed by Lord Shiva after he killed 3 demons who were collectively known as Tripurasur. They were the demon Tripurasura's son and were named Vidyutmali, Taraksha and Viryavan. This does symbolize Shiva's anger and courage. Next one is Sandhya Tandav. The Sandhya Tandav is a peaceful and relaxed dance performed by Lord Shiva during the evening. While his dance, other gods and goddesses stand around him and admire his dance. In Shiva Pradosh describes the Sandhya Tandav as Shiva offers Gauri, the creator of 3 worlds, a throne studded in a precious stone, and Shiva performed this dance in the evening. When Shiva danced, Saraswati Devi played the veena, Indra plays the flute, Brahma keep the rhythm, Lakshmi sing, Vishnu play the mridanga, and all other deities stand around and watch the dance. This is all about Sandhya Tandav. The next one is Samhara Tandav. Samhara means destruction. So, Samhara Tandav is one of the Lord Shiva's violent dance when the entire universe is destroyed. Samhara Tandav, as the name suggests, it's a dance of destruction. The most violent of all Tandavs, Samhara Tandav, when Sati burned herself during Daksha's Yajna. Next one is Kali or Kalika Tandav. The Kalika Tandav is also another one of the destructive dance form in which he takes on the form of Bhairava. Next one is Uma Tandav. Here Shiva dances with Uma. The Uma Tandav are fearsome depiction. Here Shiva assumes the form of Bhairav or Veerabhadra. He performed this fearsome dance with the spirit attendants in a samshan, that is cremation ground. In Shiva Pradosh opinion, during such destructive fearsome dance, Shiva not only destroys the world but also frees embodied souls from bondage. The smashan is selected for the dance despite the ego of the jiva, that is embodied soul, and reduced to ashes. Deities as well as demons are enthusiastically to accompany Shiva during the Tandav dance. Next one is Gauri Tandav. That is Gauri Tandav known as Shakti Tandav. Here Shiva, referred as a Shakti Swarup, means he has the inner power of Shakti. The only difference being goddesses Parvati manifest as Uma during this dance. Together they dance representing the unity of Purusha and Prakriti. This is all about Tandav. Thank you.